I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a tight modifier. A snoot or small reflector works best, because the goal is a narrow beam. Place the light high and slightly in front of the subject, then aim it so only a circular patch hits them. Once done, set camera exposure to balance ambient, lower ISO to keep the spot clean. You want a noticeable fall-off at the edges, so make small adjustments while watching the beam shape and preventing unwanted background illumination. Now refine the beam so the spotlight looks intentional. Use barn doors or a gobo pattern to shape the circle. Cut flags to block spill from hair or shoulders. Move the light closer for a smaller, harder-edged spot, or back it up for a larger, smoother fall-off. Make sure you meter at the brightest point to set exposure. Once you like the shape, lock modifiers in place. Then tweak subject pose and angle so the illuminated area flatters, and finish by balancing contrast and removing distractions. If shadows are too harsh, add a subtle fill at low power or a reflector opposite the key. This preserves the spotlight while avoiding lost detail. Make the background darker with black cloth or by angling away from ambient light, because contrast sells the effect. If the circle shows hot spots or unevenness, introduce a thin diffusion, reposition the snoot a fraction, and remeter. This single tweak often fixes common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.